The dealership, I believe the last I heard was, I think the closest I heard was 4 to 6 weeks out to get something, to get into a dealership. And depending again on the repair that needs to be done, I can get to somebody here within a day or two. On the road, sometimes it's even faster. The area I live, I live on Long Island. We're limited as far as the amount of dealers that are out there. There's basically one dealer on the island. The island's 120 miles long, and the mobile guys they'll come out to you. And there are some of those mobile techs also do have a sticks and bricks facility where they can do some of the larger repairs, things like that. We can do probably 90% of anything that we can find pretty much out there in the field. I got a call one night, and it was 7 or 8 o'clock at night. A young couple had rented a trailer, not a trailer, a Class C, and they got to one of the campgrounds here on the island, and they were just passing through, staying for I think one night, and then moving on. They couldn't get the slide out, and they had two little kids, and I was able to get over there, get their slide out in 10 minutes. I wasn't able to have the proper parts to fix it, but I was able to offer them, I'll come back in the morning when you guys are ready to leave and get the slide back in for you. They were okay with that. And then showing him what I had done, I was able to actually facilitate him being able to get the slide in for himself and get it back out when he got to his next place. And, I found him some parts online. He was able to order up stuff and fix it when he got to the next place he was going. So, that kind of made me feel pretty good. I was able to help this young couple, with the kids, so that their stay here wasn't a total flop. They had just rented the motorhome and really had no vested interest in it other than for their trip they were doing. Yeah, before the mobile tech revolution we have going on here, the only option would have been waiting 2 days for the one dealership to open up, because this was a Saturday night, and they wouldn't have been able to really get into their unit or get anything fixed before the Monday when the facility opened up again. Just being able to get out there as a mobile tech and help the people is very satisfying. It makes it all worthwhile what we went through in Texas at the NRVTA. Yeah, if you ever on Long Island, in the Long Island area, we're located in Suffolk County, which is the east end out near the Hamptons. We cover the entire island, and if you're ever out this way and you need someone to come repair something, you can reach us at Quality Mobile RV. Our number is 631-905-1231. And I pretty much answer the phone up until 11, 12 o'clock at night. But if there's a message, I'll get that, and we can get out there to take care of it. The training that we went through at the NRVTA Academy, the biggest thing it helped with was the confidence to be able to do this. I've had a mechanical background my entire life, and just not knowing some of the systems and how everything worked on the RVs was almost a little daunting. And going through the academy, and the instructors were all so good, and it just gave us the confidence. I could see it in everybody that we were there with. You can do this. It gave us the ability, the smarts, and the confidence to be able to, just break it down, work it out. We have our tools, we have our equipment, and we can fix most anything, in not too long a time. The services that we see going on here, or the repairs that we need, are mostly have been emergency work. You get somewhere, the slide doesn't work, the refrigerator stopped, the AC doesn't work. And those are the things that we can do right on site where you are, either if it's at your home or at the campground, without being too invasive on anything. And then when we're there doing that, we can look over things, make sure there's, let you know of any maintenance that would need to be done. There's a lot that needs to be going over and checked periodically with seals, sealant, make sure there's no leaks anywhere, that you wouldn't normally think about as an RV owner. And it takes us, we can spend an hour going over things and then point out things that you should look for, look to take care of, and whether or not we get the job or not. But it gives you the heads up as to what you would need to maintain. We're also getting into educational services where if someone buys a new camper, or new to them camper, as my wife likes to say, we'll come in and help you go through. We'll spend an hour, hour and a half with you and go over all the systems. Learn how to do the jack system, the leveling system, the ACs, the heat, all that stuff, the water system. So we would be there to answer any questions you would have, and make it a more pleasurable experience when you're out camping.